Hello guys, today I've got SOUNDCORE AeroClip earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can easily install and set up the application on your iPhone which is compatible with your earbuds. At first you need to open App Store. Here tap Search. In the search bar you need to type SOUNDCORE. Of course, this is the brand name, so it's easy to type. SOUNDCORE. This is this application from Power Mobile Live LLC. Here you should see Get button. Tap it. Then you will need to authorize yourself using the Face ID, Apple ID password, or the Touch ID, depending on the device you use. For example, some iPad or anything else, or some older iPhone. Here, tap Open. Now tap Agree and Continue. Tap Got it. And now you need to you don't need to allow for notifications, but I will do that. And here you need to tap Skip. If you want you can create an account, but it's just useless. Here you can tap Allow, not found, Allow. Now here Skip, and now as you can see we've got device found AeroClip. It's because I am currently paired with them. If you're not paired, just enter the pairing mode and then here tap Add Device. If you can't find device even though you have them in the pairing mode, try to at first pair them and then go over here. Now we need to tap our device, and if we tap Got it right here, we've got it all set up. That's it. Goodbye.